LA ground, good day, German Air Force 948 Heavy, ready, fully ready, start up on press position Charlie on the Imperial terminal and request pushback onto Alpha.
German Air Force 948 Heavy, LA ground, hello, push tail to the west onto Alpha, plan runway 25 left, ATIS information Sierra, LA altimeter 29902.
German Air Force 948, push west onto Alpha for runway 25 left. Altimeter 29992, and we can perform the startup on thrust Charlie due to the wind component.
German Air Force 948 Heavy, engine start your discretion, nothing above idle please.
German Air Force 948, thank you.
And 547, just one last look, it is, that spot is right on the center line, passing Bravo 7 there.
Right on the center line, passing Bravo 7, appreciate it.
Yep, on the runway.
On the runway, copy. German Air Force 948 Heavy, how much more time do you need before push?
10 seconds, German Air Force 948.
Roger.
German Air Force 948, commencing pushback.
Roger. Spearwings 111, LA ground, taxi to get Bravo Charlie 8 to the ramp.
Bravo Charlie 8 to the ramp, Spirit 111, thank you.
German Air Force 948 Heavy for traffic on final, plan runway 25 right for departure. Let me know if you want Foxtrot or full range.
25 right Foxtrot, German Air Force 948.
German Air Force 948 Heavy, make the left turn on Foxtrot. Traffic is on a 4-mile final. Cross runway 25 left at Foxtrot and hold short of runway 25 right.
German Air Force 948, behind landing traffic, left turn on Foxtrot, cross runway 25 left and hold short runway 25 right on Foxtrot.
German Air Force 948 Heavy, encountering wave turbulence. Heavy traffic departed more than 3 minutes ago from the flowing. Wind 250 at 30, just 37. RNAV Doctor, runway 25 right at Foxtrot, trip takeoff.
Air Force 948, runway 25 right.
Heavy, contact close out departure today.
Order departure German Air Force 948 Heavy, good day.